Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of blocking unwanted users on TikTok. Whether you're dealing with spam accounts or just want to maintain your privacy, blocking is a useful feature. Begin. Step 1. Locate the user's profile. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Search for the profile of the person you want to block. You can find them by searching for their username or scrolling through your feed. Step 2. Access blocking options. When you visit their profile, tap the bell icon in the upper right corner, usually represented by an ellipsis, or navigate to the chat and select the three dots in the upper right corner. Select block from the menu that appears. Step 3. Confirm action. TikTok will ask you to confirm the block. Confirm by tapping block again. Users will no longer be able to interact with your content, send you messages, or appear in your search results. Thank you for watching the video.